Most contractors assume Buildertrend is the only serious option for managing construction projects. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, there are cheaper alternatives that can actually fit your workflow better, depending on the size of your business. In this video, you'll discover the best Buildertrend alternatives in 2026, how they compare in real use, and which one can save you money without slowing down your projects. Let's get straight into it. First, understand why people even look for alternatives. Buildertrend is powerful, but it is not always affordable or simple for every contractor. It is built for structured, multi-project construction businesses. That means, if you are a small contractor or just growing, it can feel expensive and heavy. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most people do not need all the features they are paying for. So let's break down the best alternatives based on real use cases. First alternative is Buildertrend. Buildertrend is one of the fastest growing Buildertrend alternatives in 2026. It focuses on simplicity, clear project tracking, and easy financial management. A contractor like Jake can log in and instantly see jobs, budgets, and schedules without needing long setup time. It is clean and modern, which makes it easier for teams to adopt quickly. But here's the problem. While Buildertrend is simple, it may not have the same deep enterprise-level features as Buildertrend for very large operations. Next alternative is Buildertrend. Buildertrend is more than just project management. It combines marketing, lead generation, and client management in one platform. This is useful if you are a contractor who still needs to find clients regularly. For example, a contractor like Alex can showcase past projects, get leads, and manage jobs in the same system. Now here's where it gets interesting. Buildertrend is strong for growth and visibility, not just internal operations. But here's the catch. It is not as deep in advanced construction tracking as Buildertrend. Next alternative is CoConstruct. CoConstruct is built for custom home builders and remodelers who need strong budgeting and selection tracking. A builder like John working on custom homes can manage client selections, allowances, and cost changes with more detail. But here's the problem. CoConstruct requires discipline. If your workflow is not structured, it can feel overwhelming. Now let's talk about Buildertrend. Buildertrend is a much simpler option compared to Buildertrend. It is designed for service-based contractors like HVAC, cleaning, plumbing, or landscaping. A contractor like Jake, doing small jobs, can schedule work, send invoices, and manage clients very quickly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Buildertrend is extremely easy to use, but it is not designed for large construction projects with complex phases. So you need to be honest about your business type. Now let's talk about pricing differences. Most Buildertrend alternatives follow tiered pricing, instead of custom enterprise pricing. That means you can start cheaper and scale up gradually. This is one of the biggest reasons contractors switch. They want predictable costs and fewer surprises. But here's the key insight. Cheaper software only helps if it still matches your workflow. Now here's the real comparison mindset you should use. If you need full construction management with deep control, Buildertrend still sits at the top. But if you want faster setup, lower cost, or simpler workflows, alternatives like Buildertrend or Buildertrend may actually make your life easier. Now here's the turning point. The best software is not the most powerful one. It is the one your team actually uses every day without friction. So what should you choose? If you are running large, structured construction projects, Buildertrend or CoConstruct still makes sense. If you are a growing contractor who wants speed, simplicity, and lower cost, Buildertrend or Buildertrend may be a better fit. And if marketing and lead generation matter most, Buildertrend stands out. To wrap it up, Buildertrend is powerful, but not always necessary. In 2026, there are multiple cheaper and simpler alternatives that can match your workflow depending on your business stage. If this helped you understand your options clearly, hit like so more contractors can see it. Subscribe for more honest software comparisons. And comment below what tool you want compared next so you can make smarter decisions without wasting time or money.